This is how you make a pan out of aluminum foil. This is pretty thin aluminum foil, so I'm going to actually fold it over twice. That's one, and then two. And I'm going to do the same thing on the very opposite side. You always want to do the long side first. And I'll show you the reason why in a second. It's so that you can tuck in the shorter side a lot easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fold it once, and then we will get underneath this second turn, and you see how this is going to fit right there? So right there is pivotal. So you're coming up like that, and you're just going to do that little 45-degree angle right there, and then you put the top over it. And do the same thing on the other side, and the top goes over it. So you got one side formed, and now we'll do the other side. Where you just fold it once, get it up like that, and then the second fold is over the sides. And now you have yourself a pan that you can put just about anything in and throw it away afterwards.